Chat GPT does the work, you get the money. Isn't that being smart? Hey there, are you struggling to make ends meet as a freelancer or small business owner? Have you considered leveraging the power of this new AI, Chat GPT? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunday Abekunde, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to leverage the power of Chat GPT to make money for yourself. So I'll be sharing some ideas with you that you can implement to make money online. So let's jump right to it. If you've not created your Chat GPT account, there is a video attached to the description below. What is Chat GPT? GPT means generative retrained transformer. So Chat GPT are AI powered tools that can be used to generate unique high quality content and create interactive experiences. And the best part, there are a ton of opportunities to monetize these tools as a freelancer or small business owner. The first idea I'll be discussing hinges on the fact that people hire writers a lot on freelance platforms. One of the dominant profession you would find on Upwork and Fiverr is writing. So this could be anything from copywriting to email to cover letter to resume to writing of social media descriptions and captions, and you can create unique articles for blog posts and all of that. Then people pay you for this. You can go to openai.com, create an account, and then type in the brief that the client gives to you. ChatGPT is going to write the copy for you, so all you have to do is to proofread it. If you're wondering how exactly you're going to sell this service, you can check out my other videos on how to get clients on Upwork. Now that you have ChatGPT as your secret weapon, ChatGPT does the work, you get the money. Isn't that being smart? Before we move on to the next one, please book the like button. It helps me to spread this video to other friends like you, and I would really appreciate that. Let's move on. The next idea of how to generate money using the power of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can do very creative writing. It can even write a poem about anything. It can do creative writing. It can do corporate writing, any form of writing, and it can write a book. You can visit kdp.amazon.com to create an account. Then you can use ChatGPT to write a book. So how do you use ChatGPT to write a book? You can even start by saying, ChatGPT, suggest a book title for me on parenting. I love to specify the number of suggestions I want from ChatGPT. So you can ask ChatGPT to suggest a book title for you on parenting a girl child or parenting a teenager. So we type it on ChatGPT, parenting a teenager. You can see ChatGPT will generate amazing results for you. Then you can say, okay, suggest book chapters for the book above. Then to suggest chapters to you, you can go through it. You might want to edit some. Then after it has suggested the chapters, you can pick each of the chapters and ask ChatGPT to write a targeted number of words on it. Then you can tell ChatGPT the particular tone of writing you want, whether you want it to be corporate, whether you want it to be very friendly. So you specify that in your instruction to ChatGPT, and after it has created the first chapter, you can ask ChatGPT to create the second chapter based on the outline it has generated for you before, and that way you have a whole book. It can write the introduction to the book, the preface, and all of that. All you need to do is to instruct this AI to do that. But one thing we should note about ChatGPT is that it has a limitation and has the tendencies to make some errors, not grammatical errors. The kind of error is that the information might not be rich enough or might not be exactly what you want. But most times it gives a very impressive result. So you only need to go through that result that ChatGPT has generated and preview it as a human. Then you can head on to kdp.amazon.com, create an account. So you can copy the generated result in ChatGPT into Microsoft Word, save it as a document. You can format the text that you generated with ChatGPT into a book and then upload it to amazon.com and start making sales. One thing I would advise you to do is before you write a book, ensure that there is demand for it so that your book can make sales fast. So now with ChatGPT, you can write a complete book in less than a day or in maximum of 2 days, maybe like you doing other things. So please, if you appreciate this video, consider subscribing to my channel. I have a ton of resourceful materials you would find helpful right on this channel. You can check them out. I'll see you in the next video.